everyone, it's Solo from the Hottie and Solo channel. And so what I have here is my RC car. And the other day it hit the rock over there, so we had to get a new part for it. But luckily now it's fixed.
Cool. And Hottie, what's up? What's up?
Nothing much.
Nothing much.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Yeah. Okay. All right. Where?
Hi, I'm Hadi from the Hadi and Solo channel, and I'm here with.
Solo from the Hottie and Solo channel.
Yeah, and for your information, there's a Nairobi National Park. In the morning you can see giraffes over there, but now they went deeper in, so you can't really see them anymore.
Yes. Where? 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 It died. Weekend. So the battery died. Wow. Can you put a camera on top of these Traxxas?
Yeah, you can, but if you do a backflip, just make sure it might fall off, just so you know.
We'll look for a camera.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can have the footage on it.
Yeah.
What hour did you?
Okay.
I'm not sure, but like over one.
Okay, Hadi. Yes, it has a lot of power.
That's it.
Yeah, that's how you learn.
Yeah.
You know. Bring it closer here. Right here. Check out this. Wait. 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 Bring it here. There's a hole here. Look at this. Come here. Stop here. Right there. Right there. Right there. Here. Here. Look at this, Sol. Look at this. Stop it here. Right there. I see you want to break my foot. This. Look at that hole. The crater. See that? Yeah. You're gonna hit a rock.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Jeez.
Why are the dogs jumping on you?
Because they know me.
They know. Oh, but what they jump on us?
It's right there. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Why would you say you don't want to?
Yeah. Nimechoka, tired. There's a rock there.
Yeah, it's a rock there. I'm not gonna go there again.
Yeah. You saw that? It's too low, right?
Oh, you're joking now. Oh, this one's in trouble.
Yeah, but take it slow, then faster.
So Nala and the big brother are there.
I'm going slow first. I'm
Yeah,
gonna pick
that's
up
the
the speed.
So Nala,
Yeah,
I'm confused. So that's the one that's
That's what-
facing the.
Gives us identity as royalty.
that's what.
Kings and queens, happy people is who we are.
Son, I don't know what they named it.
Yeah, I'm gonna say no.
Yeah, you're too much. That's Papa Midi. Papa Midi. There, Papa Midi.
Watu wetu tujipende, ngozi nyeusi tuipende, tusiharibu na kemikali. Mwenyezi Mungu katuumba.
So that's it for the video today. We had pretty fun driving our RC car around the place.
Yeah.
That's it for now for the African Heritage house. We had fun driving around my car.
Yeah, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.